Please subscribe and help me get closer to my dream guitar. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love basketball sneakers, performance shoes, and the latest Nike releases, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Nike A2 white label in the sail, black, and metallic silver colorway. We'll cover the design, release details, comfort, performance, durability, fit, and whether this special edition deserves a spot in your collection. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll notice is just how clean this sneaker looks. Instead of relying on bright colors, Nike went with an elegant sail white upper that gives the shoe a premium, almost luxury feel. The smooth finish is paired with metallic silver swooshes and branding, adding just enough shine without overpowering the design. One hidden detail fans will appreciate is the pink insoles, a subtle nod to Aja Wilson's favorite color. Since it's mostly hidden inside the shoe, it gives the sneaker a personal touch without affecting the clean exterior. What really separates this white label edition from the standard release is the attention to premium details. The interior features a soft quilted lining, making the shoe feel more upscale the moment you put it on. Nike also includes a premium suede lace bag, exclusive packaging, and a removable gem-styled W charm that celebrates Wilson while adding a collectible touch. Overall, this isn't just another colorway, it's a special edition designed for collectors and basketball fans alike. The Nike A2 white label is expected to release during July 2026 as part of Nike's WNBA All-Star Weekend collection in Chicago. Retail pricing hasn't been officially confirmed yet, but it's expected to sit slightly above the standard A2 because of the premium materials, custom accessories, and exclusive packaging. Considering everything included in the box, it definitely feels like a collector-focused release rather than a standard basketball sneaker. Performance remains one of the strongest points of the Nike A2. Since this special edition keeps the same performance platform as the regular model, players should expect dependable on-court performance with no compromises. The cushioning is designed to provide responsive impact protection while keeping the ride smooth during long games. The supportive upper helps lock the foot in place during quick cuts, defensive slides, and explosive drives to the basket. Meanwhile, the overall construction is built to balance comfort with stability, giving players confidence whether they're attacking the rim or moving laterally on defense. Even though this edition looks premium enough for casual wear, it's still made to perform on the hardwood. Nike appears to have maintained the same durable construction found on the regular A2. The reinforced upper should handle regular basketball sessions without sacrificing support, while the sturdy outsole is expected to deliver reliable traction across indoor courts. The premium quilted interior also improves the overall comfort experience while making the shoe feel more luxurious. As for sizing, the Nike A2 is expected to fit true to size for most players. If you've worn recent Nike basketball shoes, you should feel comfortable ordering your normal size. The Nike A2 white label proves that premium doesn't always have to mean flashy. Instead of loud graphics, Nike focused on refined details, clean colors, metallic silver accents, quilted lining, exclusive accessories, and collectible packaging. For Aja Wilson fans, WNBA supporters, or sneaker collectors looking for something different from the usual All-Star releases, this is easily one of the most elegant basketball shoes arriving in 2026. Whether you plan to hoop in them or display them, the white label edition offers a level of exclusivity that makes it stand out from the standard release. So, what do you think about the Nike A2 white label? Would you rock this premium All-Star edition on the court? Or would you keep it fresh as part of your sneaker collection? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest sneaker reviews.